Hello guys, what's going on? In today's video, we're going to be making a number guessing app in MIT App Inventor. So it's going to be pretty fun and pretty simple. And before we start the video, let's see the demo of the app. Right guys, so this is the app we're going to make today. So let's say that I put a number 5. Click on done and guess number. See, like choose a greater number. Like I click on 10. Choose a smaller number. 8. I lost the game. Like I need to start again. Click the reset to restart the game. So I click on reset and I put one more number. Like guess number. Choose a greater number. Choose a smaller number. And I put like 5. The answer is right. So like I won the game. So it's pretty simple to make, and like you have 3 lives if you guys understood it. And yeah, let's make it. Right guys, so let's continue making the app. So I'm gonna click on starting project. I'm gonna type number guessing game. Yup. I'll click on OK and we'll open up a new project. Then I'm gonna set the align horizontal to center, align vertical to center. Change the background color to let's say the color I like, this one. Yeah, this looks pretty good. Then I'm gonna put one label on the screen, then one text box, one button, one more label, and then finally I'm gonna put one last button on the screen. Right guys, so after we have done that, let's name all of these. So the first one is choose a number between 1 to 10. You guys can make it anything you want. It's really small difference in the code. Alright, but I'm gonna choose 1 to 10. Okay, not this. Then I'm gonna set the text color to white. It's really simple. I'm gonna set the text color to white, and then after that I'm gonna set the font size to 20. No, let's say 20. Yeah, and font bold. Last 23. I think 23 is fine. And then I'm gonna set this width to a little bit, like 15%. And I'm gonna set the hint for text box to num. Right guys, then the hint will not be seen here. Like it will be seen to the user but not in this designing. Then I'm gonna set for text to text of 1 to choose, and then this label to blank. For now blank. And I'm gonna design this button a bit. So I'm gonna set the background color to, let's say, blue, white. This is to white, this color. And then I'm gonna set this to 20. And I don't think font will be good, so I'll set this to 20. And then yeah, and then I've set this one to reset, and text color to white, and background color to gray. And font size I'm going to do it to 20. And this one, the middle one, label to the text, I'm gonna set the text color to white, font bold, and this to 20. Right guys, so this looks good, and this is all designing we need to do. Let's go on and start the coding. I'm gonna here, I'm gonna create a new variable, pretty simple. I'm gonna name it random number generator. Yeah, I'm gonna just remove one of this. Yep. And then I'm gonna set this to random number between 1 to 10. Right guys, so this is pretty fine. And then I'm gonna do it to when button on the click, I'm gonna put 3 ifs here. 1, 2 and 3. Yeah, so when button on the click, if gonna take a math operator, if textbox one dot text, not this one, yeah, if textbox one dot text is equal to the random number generator, this variable get global random generator, then set label 2 dot text to You guessed right. Yep. And then I'm gonna duplicate this one, because there's going to be a really small change. If textbox1.text is more than global number generator, then I'm gonna duplicate this whole thing. Guess a smaller number, right? And then I'm gonna duplicate this again and set it to like this one. Then choose a bigger number. Yeah, right guys, so this is pretty simple. Now let's start making when reset button is clicked. So when button 2 dot click, set the global number generator from a random integer from 1 to 10. Alright, and then set label 2.text to blank and set box 1.text to blank. Yeah, same thing, pretty simple. Now to make this game a little more interesting, like the person can get how many chances ever they want to like guess a number, we are going to put a lives, so that like there's a limit to it, like they will lose the game if they don't choose the right number, right? So I'm going to come here and choose an initialize global lives, right? After doing that, I'm going to come here and I'm going to set lives to 3 and choose it to any number you want, like it's up to you, right? And then this is and then set, I'm gonna duplicate this 1 2 and finally 3 times. Gonna get global lives, get global lives, and get global lives. After doing that, we are gonna come here and set global lives to global lives minus 1. So set global lives to get global lives minus 1. Minus 1. Yep. No, not in this one. I'm sorry guys, not in this one, but in the first one and in the second one and in the third one. Yep. Now if the lives is 0, then what we need to do for that, we also need to code for that. So I'm gonna get one more if block from here, and if lives is equal to 0, yeah, equal to, sorry guys, if lives global lives is equal to 0, no, sorry guys, if global lives is less than 1, then I'm gonna set this to set label 2.text to you lost, click the reset button to play again, right guys? It's pretty simple. And then finally we're gonna put a new thing here and then set global lives to 0, and finally set global lives to 3, right guys? So this is the app we made today. It did not take a lot of code, and it also took really little time, but we made a really fun game, and I hope you guys enjoy playing it. You can change up the numbers like in random inches from 1 to 100, 1 to 20. It's up to you. The code is same. And yeah, yes guys, so Right guys, so there was a small mistake here. We need to remove these two, this and this, and then put them back here. Right guys, so I hope you enjoyed my video. It was pretty fun and simple to make, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And yeah guys, I'll meet you in the next video. Peace.